front of me is LG K61 and let me show you how to change language and also voice text-to-speech settings. So at first just open the settings, then find and select system, go to language and keyboard, and now select text-to-speech right here. And as you can see, at first you can change the language, so it can be whichever you would like to have. Just open the languages list and mark the one that you want to have. And then you can change the sound. So here you can change the speed rate just by using the scale and also pitch change. So let me show you how it works. As you can see here, you can change the voice.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English. This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And let me show you some other language, maybe Portuguese.
Este é exemplo de síntese de voz em português. Este é exemplo de síntese de voz em português.
And this is it. So just personalize it, pick the language you would like to have, select the speech rate and also pitch change that suits you most, and this is it. So this is how you can personalize it. Then whenever you would like to reset those options, just open the language just right here, go to text-to-speech output and select reset, and now you've got the default setup, which is. So this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.